Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox and review Boat Bassheads 162 earphone. This is Ashutosh Nirmal and welcome to my channel. If you are your first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. At the front it has company logo with model number, nothing on sides. Here you can see earphone. Here are the features. It's priced at $12.99 but you can get this at $4.99 and sometimes under $4.50. So always check the deals before you buy. Let's open this. Here everything in a small plastic tray. First we have a warranty card. Then boat products catalog. Here are two pairs of extra ear tips. Here's the earphone. This earphone totally made of plastic. Here mic for noise cancellation. Company logo at the back. I don't know if you can see but they are left and right symbols. Here is simple normal rubbery cable. Here's mic with single button to provide different functions. Remaining cable is good quality braid cable. Here's angled 3.5mm jack. This is in red color. Besides this, black and blue color also available. Ear tips fit into the ear perfectly and it feels light and comfortable. As it fit into the ear comfortably, it provides very good noise cancellation. Mic here provide very clean, noiseless sound even in noisy environment. Now comes to sound quality. As this earphone comes with 10mm drivers, sound is very good, loud with clear vocals. Bass in this earphone is very good. It's punchy but never overshadowed vocals. Highs and mids are very good too. There's one thing I don't like in this earphone. That is, if they want to give braided cable, why not make it fully braided? Instead, they gave the second part after the mic braided cable and leave first part like this only with simple normal rubbery wire. So if you want to buy a cheap lightweight earphone with very good sound, you can go for this one. But if you want a better build quality, there are many other earphones available in this price range. If you want to buy this, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. If you buy from that link, that will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.